Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Science Time with Mr. Mino. Today we are going to talk about what plants need. So before we go ahead and get started, make sure you pause the video, write your name and the date. Alright, boys and girls, so I know it looks a little sloppy and I apologize, trying my very best. But let's go ahead and let's get started. So, in this box it says, draw 2 things that plants need to help them grow. I wonder what plants need. Remember, they need some of the same things that we need. What is something we need when we are feeling very thirsty? Think. Get ready. Yes, water. If you said water, you are correct. Plants need water to grow. Alright, boys and girls, so I went ahead and I drew my picture with the cloud on top, the rain coming down, and the flower needs rain to grow. So don't forget that. So let's go ahead and let's move to the next one. What is another thing that plants need to grow? Think. What is something that is outside and that makes us really hot? Get ready. The sun. Yes, if you said the sun, you are correct. Plants need warm weather to grow. So go ahead, I'm going to pause the video. You two go ahead and draw your drawing. Alright, boys and girls, so the two things that plants need to grow is water and sun. Remember, those are very important. It's important that the plant gets water to grow and sun to grow because plants need warmth. They need warm weather to grow in. So let's go ahead and let's do our quick check. At the bottom it says, do all plants need water to grow? Yes or no? Think big. Get ready. Yes, all plants need water to grow. Good. Let me get my green color and I am going to color my smiley face. Make sure you color in your smiley face. I am so sorry. It's a little bad. Alright. Let me do that again because that was horrible. So let me color in my smiley face again. You all can do a much better job, I know it. So the next question says, do all plants need to have sunlight to grow? We just went over this. Think big. Get ready. Yes, all plants need sunlight to grow. Awesome job, boys and girls. Now go ahead and check your work. If yours looks like mine, go ahead and give yourself a big 100 and a smiley face. Awesome job. You all did amazing today. Keep on shining, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.